Hello creative buddies, come back to Flying with Art. First of all, wish you all a very happy Holi. In today's video, we are going to make this very beautiful and colorful Holi hamper card by using only waste materials, and we are also going to recycle old kulhads into beautiful storage for gulaal, and which later on can be used for planting succulents, and this beautiful card can be used as a serving tray or as a home decor. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you are new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. After decorating our cart using some paper flowers and paper cuttings, it's time to put some color into kulhads and let's have a final look. I hope you guys found this video useful and enjoy watching it. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. Also, subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all so that you never miss any of my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Happy Holi everyone.